Well, I don't know what we're going to do. Alright guys, welcome back to another episode. Today we are finally doing the radiator on the SV1000, which is down here. So we're going to start by taking... Well, I don't know what we're going to do. I'll put you on the tripod and we'll work it out as we go. Start by disconnecting the thermostat thingamajig, the thing that sends the information about the temperature. Disconnect that. Oh, my knee. Okay, so we do it all backwards here. You want to start by draining the fluid out of the radiator, not removing the radiator from the thing. I mean, it didn't really matter, that's what I did. But yeah, ideally you want to drain the radiator first, then pull the radiator off. I did ask about face, because I'm not too worried about this thing. It meant that the radiator was hanging down, and anyway, you'll see. The point is that we put a new radiator on. Bye bye. The other one in there, which is a 10mm. So we'll disconnect the lines for the wires for the horn. Pull this off. Just like that. So now all that's holding it on is fan wires, so the wires for the fan are in there. So pull them off. So you've got to catch the spillage. I'm doing the lower radiator pipe first with the screwdriver that keeps going walkabout. Where the fuck does it keep going? There it is. Oh, right. I'm already bleeding for some reason. Just stab myself with a screwdriver, I'd say. There we go. Very green coolant. Oh, undo this one. There it goes. There's the radiator. So now we just need to pull all the extra bits off it, put them on the new one. Alright guys, well, got that stuff off it. See some of the damage there, some bodge repair, more damage here, more bodge repair. Here is our lovely radiator. I'll leave a little review for, links in the description. Really cheap, I can believe it. Very great. Look at that. Lovely. Lovely, lovely. Alright, let's do our best not to damage it. I'll do my best to fit all the accessories and everything to this while it's still semi-strapped to this bit of cardboard to protect it. Oh, the hardest thing on this job is keeping track of your fucking nuts and bolts. That and keeping track of your tools. Right, guys, and it's a very simple job. Brand new radiator installed. I'm going to put the cover on it. And then I'll fire it up and we'll bleed it through. When I just started it up, it instantly drew a whole lot of water down. I've just topped it up with some fresh water. I'm letting it run so that I get the air bubbles and things out of there, circulate. As you can see, just taking a whole lot more in. I just keep topping it up. It'll obviously get hot pretty soon. Be safe. Blah blah. I'm going to put the cap on now, it's sort of bubbling over a little bit. It's warming up. Probably like, 30 odd degrees, not very hot at all. Rinse it all off, so it'll be more obvious if I've got any leaks. Alright guys, well, take it as done. there's any dramas, I'll check back in, but I'll take it for a test ride, and chances are it might need a top up, that'll be it. Anyway, ride safe, check out the links in the description if you need a radiator or bits and pieces, and see you in the next episode. Whoop! I've got a replacement one from eBay, really quite cheap, so we'll see how that goes. I'll leave a link in the description if you need one. Anyways, let's get started.